wish this thing worked for this camera. What if I told you that there is a way to seamlessly and almost invisibly control your Insta360 cameras from a distance, and that the solution to this has been on screen this entire time without you noticing? Hey there everyone, I'm Jack, and this is the all-new Insta360 ring remote. And in this video, we're gonna go through the basics so you can get up and running with it, and I'm going to show you some of my personal favorite ways to use this awesome accessory. So let's get into it.
The remote is compatible with both the X5, Ace Pro 2 and Go Ultra. To connect it, simply head over to your camera's Bluetooth remote menu. Turn on your remote and select it once it shows up on screen. The indicator light on the remote will turn solid blue once the connection has been established. And now, you're ready to go shoot.
To start recording, simply press the button once, and you feel a long vibration in the ring confirming that you've started. When you want to stop recording, press it again, and this time you'll feel a short vibration. Having this distinction in the haptic feedback is key because it lets you know what you've done without you looking down at the remote and the indicator light. This in turn lets you stay in the moment and focus on the trail up ahead. These basic actions, of course, work with quick capture. So even if your camera is turned off, you can simply press the ring once and your camera will instantly spring to life and start recording. But my favorite thing with the ring is that it is small enough to fit neatly under my gloves, making it super stealthy. Not only that, but between the super tactile button and that vibration feedback I was talking about, I've never had to second guess if I started recording or not. Even if you aren't an extreme sport enthusiast and like your activities a little calmer, I still think you will appreciate the ring remote's ease of use. For example, it lets you keep your eyes on the beautiful view as you're trying to capture your paddleboarding session. Oh, and while I'm out here, I should probably mention that the ring is compatible with Instaframe mode. So simply press once to start recording, press twice to switch views, and press 3 times to add an effect. Having the camera be this easy to control is really nice because it lets you stay more present and more grounded, if you will. Or watered in this case, I guess. Oh, and by the way, don't worry if you lose your balance a bit. The ring is IPX7 rated, meaning that an accidental dip or some heavy rain won't be a problem. Now, I really can't stress this enough, but the best thing with this remote is just how unintrusive it is, which is as useful for extreme sports as it is for keeping your eyes on the road. And after using it for a while and finding your preferred ways of mounting it, it really becomes second nature and doesn't really distract you at all, which is great if you're trying to vlog in the car, for example. The ring could also be really useful if you're a musician, since it would allow you to control your cameras without taking your hands off of your instrument. Alright folks, that's all that I've got for you today. Let me know in the comments how you would use the ring remote to elevate your content. And feel free to ask any questions you've got while you are down there. But now, it is your turn to make use of this awesome accessory. So get out there, get creative, and think bold. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.